Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add SKU in Shopify. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once in, on the left panel, go to Products. In here, just go ahead and select the product where you want to add SKU into. After that, scroll down until you're in the Inventory section. Here you have the Stock Keeping Unit where you can now insert your SKU. Now to have your stock keeping unit, what you need to do is go to the left panel and go to Apps and click on Add. Now go to Shopify App Store. Here just search for SKU. Here you can choose among these apps, but they are for a premium one. And if you want a free one, just go ahead and click on this SKU Auto Generator. After that, just install the app. Install it again to proceed. Once done, you can now select a collection or select a product to add an SKU into. So just choose one and add. Now you have your SKU generated by that app. If you go back to your products, just go ahead and select the product you generated SKU. If you scroll down, you can now see that the stock keeping unit is added automatically. And that's it. That's how you add SKU in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.